What's up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. This is basically how my car stands as of right now, and this is basically just like an update video on how like the progress in the car is going and stuff like that, what's happening. So I took off the bumper since I don't know if you guys saw my last video. I said that a cat just came out of nowhere and I accidentally ran it over. I didn't really have a reaction time, but this is how she stands for now. And if you guys saw, the front lip was the only one that was like messed up, so actually I think I'm gonna put the stock bumper back on and just take off the lip, because I don't know, this thing is all tearing apart as you see here. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I also got a couple more things that are gonna come in. For example, in a couple more weeks, so once I get it, I'm gonna be installing a CVT cooler just to keep the car reliable. And I was thinking of a front mount, but I'm not sure. And maybe TGV deletes for sure though, and maybe a retune after I put both of those on, but that's gonna be way later in this year, hopefully. I already done a lot to this car just this year as I put the E-tune on the car, which made a huge difference. And so yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go get the bumper and put it back on. Alrighty, there she is. And that's where the damage was. It's just electrical tape. I tried to cover it up, but it's just not convincing me, you know. And that's all scratched up right there. And then right there. There's just a couple scratches everywhere. And that happened with the pressure washer, but I think the guy that had it before actually like crashed it or something. Well, I don't think he crashed it, but he did repaint this, because that should not have happened just with a pressure washer. But I'm gonna take that front lip off, guys, and then I'll put it back on. And also, if I do go with the front mount, I think I'm just gonna get it just for the looks of it. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to run a bigger turbo, because as my tuner said, the freaking the CVT will crawl out of there and go home. But I don't know if I should take that off, that mesh thing. We'll see right now. Anyways, let's go put it on the car. Alright guys, so I took it off. And look at all those bolts. So you can imagine the impact with the cat. How I just brought it down. But good thing is that now I could actually put I guess I could say a bolt that this emblem had in through the back, since now I actually have to take the bumper off, as I didn't want to, as I said in my other video. But now I'm gonna do this through the back, and then just to make sure it doesn't fall off, and then we should be putting it on. Okay guys, also if you guys watched my video on the hood install, I mentioned that I wanted to do like a custom like kind of ghetto type of hood pin type of thing, because I said I didn't want to put the hood pins because I wanted to save this look that it has. So this is what I came up with just some zip ties. There you go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I might do the other side just to make sure, but I put some thick ones so it doesn't fly open. And that's it for that. Alright guys, so it's super easy to put one of these back on. So you're gonna have one bolt here, as you've seen in many videos. You just push it in. I accidentally didn't know that and I broke mine, so I'll probably put a screw or something there. And then up here you're gonna have these bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just the clips that go into those 3. And yeah guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh shoot, I almost fell over here. But yeah, the car looks super horrible as it stands. No lip, no nothing. It makes it even look freaking like lifted or something. And I don't really want to go too much in depth in like installing a front bumper, because there's so many videos that explain how to do it, as you guys probably already seen. And that's pretty much it. Also guys, one thing to know, do not buy an expensive license plate relocator. Just get one from Amazon. They're super cheap. I got mine for like I think 20 bucks or something. And I just need to pop this side back in, and then put a couple clips back on in the bottom. And update on the windshield guys, I took off the banner because it took away the capability of my eyesight working. So I really find my eyesight really helpful, especially at night. And this sun strip does not really affect it. Only like when the sun is like blaring into the cameras, well, that's obviously gonna disable the cameras even without the sun strip. So also, if you guys want to put like a sun strip on yours, mine just goes a tiny bit under of the recommended, but it's nothing crazy. I just wanted to block a little bit of the sun. Well, yeah, that's about it for this, guys. Just let me finish putting it back on, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Let me show you the back. As I mentioned in my other video, I was kind of thinking of going with the red fog light, leaving it like that, or going with the black tint, and I went with the black tint. I think it looks way better. And yeah, also, if you guys know any good coilovers to go with that are not like too over the top, for a good price, let me know. I really want to lower this car for sure. And that's gonna be about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think now I've hit like 200 subscribers, which I'm super stoked for. I'm like, this whole YouTube channel idea was just for you guys, like, because I bought the CVT and there wasn't really a lot of videos out there that describe all these things that I'm showing to you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying that, and please leave any comments on the types of video you guys would like to see. I'm almost down for anything. And I think that's going to be about it, guys. It was just a quick little update on the car. Nothing too much, as I am in school right now, and it's kind of hard to do all these things: work, YouTube, school, a little bit of the gym, you know. You don't want to get all fat during this quarantine too. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a like, comment, and peace.